Kain tayo lang sis. Ha? Mother Earth, good evening po from Leilonggo. Grabe naman Leilonggo, grabe ka ba ng harang mo? Oh? Kanina pa patapos. Sayang naman pag ano, pwede ko ni-skip yung mga harang niyo. Kain tayo ng lansans. Mother Earth, tara, sayaw tayo, dance. Let's go, dance. Kuya Mads, uy, sis, it lovely birds, hello sis. Ayan, Le, dan ako sa harang mo, Le. It lovely birds, hello sis. Kumusta? Good evening. Puntahan kita. Good evening. Sino si Sarita? It lovely birds, sis. Nandito ko sa bahay mo. Then si Sarita Ben. Dikit ko na rin sa itong ninja ko, sis, ha. It lovely birds. Playing ako, sis. Blooming. Kukatel. Ayan. Sis, it lovely birds. And then si Sarita. Sarita, you're the next, ha. You're the next ba? It lovely birds. Sis, Sukontia, sis. Happy New Year, sis. Hello. Welcome. Sis, Sukontia from Lovely Birds. Oma Chop Chop. What is that, Wilat? Ah, you're from India, Sarita. Wilat, what happened to you? Always laughing. You're happy now. Take it. Sarita, you're the next ba? It lovely birds. Ayan ko ni kayo sa nakapin. Kabsat. Baba kayo ng bahay dyan. Guys, pa-watch naman ang aking video, please. Kindly watch my video also. And just leave a comment. Okay. Thank you. Playing pa ako sa blooming na kukatel. Ang cute ng bird. Nice song. Ding dang, ding dang. That is not ding dang. Still playing pa ako sa lovely it lovely. Yan sunod ko si Sarita. Puntahan ko. Sige, thank you sis.